Now we're going to work on leetcode 3185, count pairs that form a complete day. This is a version 2 because compared to the previous version, version 1, the length is much higher, right? It's 5 to times 10 to the fifth. So it indicates that we can just use some linear or n log n method to solve this problem. So let's read this question, and then we'll discuss how to solve it. So we are given an integer array hours representing times, and we're going to select a pair ij where I is less than j, and hours I plus hours j forms a complete day. And complete day means that it's a multiple of 24. For example, 24, 48, 72, etc. And there are several examples. Let's see example 2. So hours are 72, 48, 24, and 3. So we can select, remember that we need I less than j, so we cannot select the same day. So we can select 72 and 48, or 72, 24, or 48, 24. There were 3 choices. Okay, so in order to do this problem, we just need to remember all the residuals for those values we have seen. Okay, this is we use a hash to remember the residuals and how many times it appears. For example, we have seen like 30. For example, we seen 30, so we add 30 divided by the residual of 30 by 24, and count 1 in this hash. So we put this in the hash. Then suppose we see something like 18. Then we immediately know that we need a residual of 6 to form a 24. Then we can look at this hash to get this value, and then to add this count, because this means how many we can form with this number to get 24. Okay, then we'll continue write the code. So for each number in hours, h is just hours at position I, and we will first decide what's the residual here. The residual is r, and then we will need to know whether r is in hash. So if we need to know first if r is 0, then we need to define res as a return value. So if r is 0, res will be res at hash r, right? This is actually hash 0. And because we're using long, and I think this should be long. Otherwise, res will plus hash and 24 minus r, right? Because we are going to form a multiply of 24. And after that, we put r into this hash. Then we just return our yes. Yeah, I think it's right. Let's submit. Yeah, we are done. This is a very not very hard question. We just need to remember all the residuals, and we also need to pay attention to this one, because for this one, r is 0, we just need to find other 0 residuals. But for this one, we need to find 24 minus r. And I think that's it. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.